Here's how to make roast chicken that looks and tastes like it came from a 5-star kitchen right at home. Start by preparing your spice mix in a bowl. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of crushed red chili, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, and 1 teaspoon salt, also to taste. Now, take a whole chicken. Make deep cuts. And rub the spice mix all over it. Get into those cuts for full flavour. Add some oil on chicken. Air fryer. Wrap in foil. And cook for 30 minutes on each side. If you're diet conscious, you can choose the air frying option. For the salad, chop onion, chop cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and green chilies. Add salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. For the sauce, squeeze excess water from shredded cucumber. Mix with yogurt. A pinch of salt and black pepper, coriander leaves, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Drizzle some olive oil on it. Now for the rice. In a pot, heat oil, add sliced onions, cumin seeds, and a bit of garam masala. Pour in water. Add 1 teaspoon salt and cook your rice until fluffy. Plate the rice. Top with that juicy roast chicken. And serve with salad and sauce. Enjoy your perfect meal.